These hot days make me sleepy. That's what it is. I think it's the heat making me sleepy this afternoon, but it is going to be fairly hot the next few days. I don't think we see a chance to really start to drop temperatures a little bit until early next week. So right now it's still pretty hot. It's actually come down a little bit over the last hour or two in some spots, but still 90 in Brownsville, 99 in Rio Grande City, and 90 in Raymondville. Now the wind speeds, at least there is a bit of a breeze still blowing. Wind speeds about 15 to 20 miles per hour or so across the area, and that will probably be the wind speed most of tomorrow afternoon and again on Friday afternoon. So your day planner for tomorrow, very similar to today. You may wake up to some patches of clouds, but quickly I think we're back in the mostly sunny skies again all day long, with temperatures going from the low 80s at 8 a.m. to the 90s by noon, and then spending the afternoon, depending on where you are, some degree of hotness from near 90 at the coast, about 100 or better from McAllen westward tomorrow afternoon. So the high temperatures again, hottest in the upper valley, could hit about 104 in Rio Grande City tomorrow. You know, it only gets over 100 for maybe a couple of hours or so, but you know, still a hot stretch of weather in the afternoon. About 102 in McAllen, 99 in Weslaco, and about 99 in Harlingen, 95 in Brownsville. So pretty much hot all over tomorrow, but temperatures, you know, at least being helped out a little bit with the breeze and make it feel slightly cooler. No rain out there this afternoon, just mostly sunny skies around. And as we look out across the rest of Texas, pretty dry and quiet too. A couple of storms in the Big Bend area, but nothing really organized around Texas. Most of the tropical moisture being pushed off to the east away from us. Future track kind of shows the same thing the next 3 days, so we'll kind of just show you tomorrow. Clear to partly cloudy skies tonight. Some of the models like this one try to hint, you know, you get the clouds sticking up late at night, you might catch a sprinkle by sunrise, but that's a long shot. That's a small chance of happening. By tomorrow, sunshine comes back with mostly sunny skies, a little breezy and hot again, and mainly dry and hot weather continues tomorrow afternoon and evening across the valley. Now, when we look again at all of Texas, things are very quiet as well. Front's way up to the north, but too far away to do much to our weather, so we stay hot tomorrow, and again, all the moisture goes off to the east. Now, the tropics, we showed you yesterday. Remember back to yesterday? I knew you were watching. We showed you the tropics. Nothing organized right now in the Caribbean, but the National Hurricane Center forecasts this area, the Western Caribbean, to eventually, maybe later this week, try to spin up an area of low pressure. So technically there's nothing now, but the models say that in this area something could try to form, and only a 20% chance of development in the next 5 days. But most of the computer models say whatever does form will kind of drift slowly westward, could emerge into the southern Gulf of Mexico by about the weekend. So something to keep an eye on. If it gets any closer to us, we're talking still maybe next Thursday or Friday before anything could get close to the upper Mexican or Texas coast if anything does form. 99 for a high tomorrow, 100 on Friday, 101 on Saturday, and then finally cools off a tiny bit maybe for Father's Day and beyond. We could see the upper level winds kind of switch around a bit next week to bring back at least a few showers by later Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. We'll keep an eye on the tropics, though, in your first 4 and 5 forecast this evening.